Welcome to G-Bong, your one-stop expert in storage solutions. With over a decade of focus on SSD and DRAM, we integrate design, R&D, manufacturing, and sales to deliver efficient and reliable OEM/ODM services. Founded in 2012, G-Bong has grown into one of China's foremost SSD and DRAM manufacturers, offering cost-effective OEM/ODM services to both domestic and international brands. With a facility of approximately 3,000 square meters, an R&D team boasting over 25 years of industry experience, more than 80 patents, and certified as a national high-tech enterprise, our strength speaks volumes. We employ the latest Yamaha YS-series fully automated SMT production lines, capable of exceeding 800,000 units per month. From front-end chip testing, SMT placement, to back-end aging and final assembly, we offer a seamless, one-stop production process. G-Bong is certified with ISO 9001, CE, RoHS, FCC, REACH, and more, ensuring top-tier product quality. Our production management system is grounded in systematic quality control principles, with 100% incoming component inspection and robust production monitoring, to guarantee efficient and consistent quality. With an integrated layout, from R&D and manufacturing to sales, we provide timely and reliable support. Whether it's OEM/ODM customization, or global market outreach, G-Bong responds swiftly, enhancing client trust. By choosing G-Bong, you choose professional strength, stringent quality control, and an integrated service model. Let's work together towards a future of premium storage solutions. Contact us now to begin our partnership.